started it?
No, you're getting ready to open up that bread. It's filming right now. Kerry has come by here to try. I'm shaking. That's why the camera's shaking. She has come by here to try what?
Ahi hot sauce.
Hot pepper sauce.
Hot pepper. Oh, it's now hot pepper sauce.
So
don't put a lot, because you know I don't eat hot sauce. Okay, that's enough.
And you have to bite that whole corner there.
Okay.
Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good though?
Yeah. It's good, but it's hot.
All right, well, yeah, eat some more bread.
Okay, come on.
All right, peace. You gotta endorse it.
It like builds.
Yeah,
But it's good. It has a good flavor though.
It's levels to
But
it.
but it builds. It's actually okay. Yeah, it's good.
All right, peace.